Hey y'all, today I have live swatches of ILNP's first summer release. It's called the Splashed Collection, and it is 6 vibrant jellies packed with scattered holographic glitter inside. So as y'all know, ILNP has changed their packaging, and I just wanted to show you what their new boxes look like, because I didn't show you in the last video. Spoiler alert, I really enjoyed this collection. I love holographic polishes, and I think these look really, really good in the jelly finish. So I'm going to try to go in rainbow order. So first up is Poppy, and it's this beautiful red jelly with the scattered holographic glitter. And the formulas on these are really, really good. I applied 2 coats for this red, and I don't think it was completely opaque at 2 coats. However, because it has so much sparkly holographic glitter, I didn't think it needed that 3rd coat. So I think this one looks really nice in 2 coats. You know, jellies have that nice juicy finish, and I think that looks really, really great in 2 coats. The formula was beautiful. There was no running or pooling, and these are so sparkly and fun. This is gonna look great for the summer. So next is Playdate, and Playdate is a pink, like a bright pink jelly with the scattered holographic inside. All these polishes have the same formula. They're just, different color jellies with the holographic glitter, but the formula is pretty much all the same. Really nice. I didn't have any issues. It spread very evenly. There was no running or pulling into the cuticles. This one was completely, well, I don't want to say they're completely opaque because they're jellies, so I didn't get them completely opaque, but they look really great in 2 coats. The glitter spread out very evenly. So these polishes are packed full of glitter, spread out very evenly, and just look really, really great. I also found that since my nails are so long, kind of like brushing it in short strokes worked a little bit better for me to apply the polish more evenly. Next is Euphoria, and it's this beautiful tangerine orange jelly with the scattered holographic glitters. Again, I only applied 2 coats for this one. It's like a really nice mix. It's definitely orange, but it definitely has some yellow in it. But again, just reminds me of like a juicy fruit, an orange juicy fruit, because of the jelly. And it's so pretty with the holographic in it. Again, the holographic glitter spreads out very evenly, and you get a ton of it on the nail, but it looks really great in 2 coats. And again, same formula as the other ones. And I just love this color. I think it's so perfect for summer. Next is Staycation, and this is a lime green jelly nail polish with scattered holographic glitters. And this one was a little bit more sheer than the rest of the polishes in the collection. And I apologize, this first clip is a little out of focus, but it also helps you see the holographic glitter a little bit better. But it'll be in focus in the next clip. Anyways, I applied 3 coats for this one to make it a little bit more opaque, because it was more sheer. And this one's probably my second favorite in the collection. I really like this green, and you can really see kind of like a blue flash standing out from the green base. So this one's really pretty. Definitely a must for summer. So let's talk about the removal process for a second. These are packed with holographic glitter, so it is a little bit more difficult to remove these polishes. They kind of remove like a glitter, because it has glitter in it, duh. but they do stay on pretty well without shipping. Next is Seaside, and it's this beautiful aqua blue jelly with these scattered holographic glitters. So this one is a little bit more sheer on that first coat, but it actually built up pretty well on the second coat. I was able to be okay with wearing this one in only 2 coats. You can apply the third coat if you want to make it a little bit more opaque, but I think it looks perfect in just 2 coats. It's just this, I don't know, beautiful color, reminds you of like a crystal clear ocean, and so juicy, really great formula. Again, I feel like I don't have much to say about this collection. I just love every single one of these. The application is just really nice, and I love the holographic glitter in this collection. Just makes me so happy. And the last polish is called Unforgettable, and it's this beautiful grape purple jelly nail polish. Again, I only applied 2 coats for this one to be completely opaque. It built up really well on the second coat, but it might not be like completely opaque after 2 coats, but I think it looks fine in 2 coats. Really nice, juicy grape color. Formula, same as the last one's, really great formula. Easy to apply with this brush, and I think the holographic glitters really stand out against this base color. So that is the end of the video. Like I said at the beginning, I really love this collection, and I don't know, this one might be my favorite collection that I've seen this summer. It's definitely different than, you know, the neons that typically come out in the summer. I personally love holographic glitter, and the formulas on this one is really nice and juicy and bright, and it just makes me happy. So let me know what you think of this collection in the comment section. What is your favorite? Do you plan on picking up any of the polishes in this collection? Let me know. And if you haven't already, be sure to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.